Chapter 8: Building a Lean Team. When it comes to lean, everyone on the team needs to be involved to make it work. Lean isn't just about one person making all the improvements. It's about working together to find ways to make things easier and faster for everyone. At my company, we have a morning meeting every day. Everyone shares one small thing they improved, no matter how tiny it might seem. This makes everyone feel part of the team, and they get excited to make things better. Sharing ideas and little wins helps everyone learn from each other and makes our teamwork even stronger. One of the coolest things about Lean is that anyone, no matter what their job is, can find ways to improve something. When people see that their ideas are valued, they're more eager to keep helping and trying new things. Lean is all about respect for everyone on the team and giving each person the chance to help out. Try it out. Grab a friend or two and look for one small thing you can make easier or better together. Maybe it's organizing your desk area or helping each other finish a group project faster. When everyone has a chance to share ideas, it makes the whole team stronger. The one thing. You spend your time on what matters to you. The things you put time and energy into show what's important to you. If you spend time helping others or improving something, it shows you care about teamwork and making things better. Win with Lean. Think about what you spent the most time on today. Does it help you or others in a good way? Try to spend time each day on something that makes a positive difference. The Lean Takeaway. In Chapter 8, we learned that Lean thrives with everyone's input. We've learned to share small improvements for team success. Now we know that teamwork and respect drive big changes. Chapter 1 taught us the Lean basics. Chapter 2 taught us about spotting waste. Chapter 3 taught us to focus on one task. Chapter 4 helped us in understanding waste. Chapter 5 taught us to fix small problems. Chapter 6 showed us the importance of growing together. Chapter 7 showed us the power of 3S. Chapter 8 showed us the importance of teamwork in Lean. Now let's go to Chapter 9.